Here is a wonderful 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this comfortable, spacious Nautilus, the midsize two-row crossover that delivers sedan luxury and SUV versatility. With the latest tech to keep you safe and entertained, a wealth of creature comforts, and ample cargo capacity, you'll look forward to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, all-wheel drive, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera. Feel relaxed and restored on every journey in this smooth, quiet Nautilus. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.